Sasa ndio wakulima wapate.
Dul mochung'ne apeyni e pacho ka KENHA oketo lony manyasani kuonde pimo loche mating'o mwandu e apaya ma Northern Corridor kaka yo mar kedo gi dhung'ruok ma nyamburko ma kinde ka kinde. Rapim manyasani go oketi e gwenge ma Gilgil, Mai kod Suswa kaluwore gi kambi ma Danka Africa Kenya Limited momiyo rak mar tayo masinde manyasani go. Chenrono osechopo e atamalo 99 e apaya ma Northern Corridor. Kar pimo ma Gilgil oketo chike ma bende osekonyo e duoko chien timbe mag ting'o osigo modhuro moingo madwarore.
We have removed the human element or interference in the weighing process. We've also installed CCTV cameras around the station to watch over any activity going across the station. Liftable axle is an axle that is fitted with an automatic drop-down mechanism such that it can lift itself up from the road surface when the truck is empty and lift itself down when the truck is loaded. The biggest challenge we've been facing is for drivers to interfere with the drop-down mechanism and lift the axle when the truck is loaded, which transfers the load to the next axle, thus damaging our roads. We've been having a challenge in the past of trucks avoiding the static weighing bridges and using alternative or panya routes to evade the station. But we have a mobile monitoring vehicle that monitors the road network around the station. And generally, the level of compliance, there is an increase on the number of lorries and decrease in the number of lorries that are avoiding the static stations.